Hello class 8. Today we will start. Let's work out 3 rational number. Rational number means what? The numbers which can be expressed as p by q form, where p and q both are integer and q not equal to 0. Such that 7 by 5, where 7 and 5 both are integers and 5 not equal to 0. So 7 by 5 we can tell that as rational number. Again, rational number can be expressed as 5. 5 is whole number, but 5 can be expressed as 5 by 1. So 1 not equal to 0 and 5 and 1 both are integers. So 5, 7, all whole numbers are also expressed as rational numbers. So today we will start now. Let's work out 3 rational numbers. Let's work out 3 rational numbers. Now we will start sum number 1 part D. Sum number 1 part D. Solve the following equation and express the roots in the form p by q. 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Root means m. Find the value of m, or 5m is equal to 3. Therefore, m is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 means this is in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0, that is 5 not equal to 0, and both p and q, that is 3 and 5, both are rational number. So this is the answer. Next, sum number 3 part A. 3 part A. 2x, if x is equal to minus 3 by 8, x is equal to minus 3 by 8, then find the value of 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 is equal to 2 into minus 3 by 8 plus 5 is equal to 2 4s are 8 minus 3 by 4 plus 5. 4 is LCM, minus 3 plus 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 3, that is 17 by 4. 17 by 4 means 17 and 4 both are integers and 4 not equal to 0. So this is rational number. Then the value of this is 17 by 4. Next, part 4. Write the appropriate number in the following box. 4 part B. Box plus minus 21 by 29 is equal to 0. We have to find the value of box, or box is equal to what? If this goes to right hand side, it will be plus. So here it is minus, so it will be plus there. 21 by 29. So answer, the box, in the box the number will be 21 by 29. Next, 4 part F. Minus 8 by 3 into minus 21 by 20 is equal to box. So minus 8 by 3 into minus 21 by 20, minus minus plus, then 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 3 7s are 21, 7 2s are 14 by 5. So answer, in the box we will write 14 by 5. This is also rational number. Next, sum number 5. Let's write the product by multiplying 7 by 18 with the reciprocal of minus 5 by 6. 7 by 18 multiplied with reciprocal of minus 5 by 6. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 6 means minus 6 by 5. This equal to plus into minus, minus 6, 3s are 18, 7 by 3 5s are 15. So the answer is minus 7 by 15. Next, sum number 6. Find the value of the following with the help of commutative law and associative law. What is commutative law? A plus B is equal to B plus A, or A into B is equal to B into A. Addition of rational number and multiplication of rational number obey commutative law, but subtraction and division do not obey. And what is associative law? This is commutative law. Commutative law. What is associative law? A plus B plus C within bracket is equal to, this can be expressed as A plus B plus C. This is associative law of addition. Similarly, for multiplication, A into B into C is equal to A into B within bracket into C. This is called associative law. Associative law. Now, find the value of the following with the help of commutative law and associative law. 6 part 1. 5 by 8 plus within bracket minus 7 by 15 plus 3 by 32 within bracket plus 11 by 75. Now 5 by 8 plus second bracket minus 7 by 15 bracket plus 3 by 32 first bracket, second bracket close, plus 11 by 75. Now by commutative law we can write this minus 7 by 15 plus 3 by 32 as 3 by 32 minus 7 by 15. So write that 5 by 8 plus within bracket 3 by 32 plus minus 7 by 15 plus 11 by 75. Now these can be expressed as following associative law: this plus this plus this plus this. So we can write 5 by 8 plus 3 by 32. This equal to 5 by 8 plus 3 by 32 plus minus 7 by 15 plus 11 by 75. Minus 7 by 15 plus 11 by 75. Minus 7 by 15 plus 11 by 75, 5 by 8 plus 3 by 32. Now 8 and 32, what is the LCM? 32. 4 8s are 32, 4 5s are 20 plus 3 plus 15 and 75. 75 is LCM. 5 15 75, 5 7s are 35 minus 35 plus 11. 23 by 32 here plus 415 213 minus 24 by 75. 3 8s are 24, 3 25 75. So this equal to bracket bracket. This equal to 23 by 32 plus minus minus 8 by 25. Now LCM of 32 and 25. They are prime to each other. So what will be the LCM? Product of this and this. 25 2s are 50. 0 carry 5. 25 3s are 75 plus 5 80. 800. So here 25 into 23 minus 32 into 8. 575 minus 256 by 800. 9 1 3. So 319 by 800. This is the answer. 319 by 800. Now sum number 7. Let's put the rational numbers in the number line. 5 rational numbers are given to put in the number line. I am showing two of them. This is the number line. This is 0. Okay. Now this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Left side in equal distance minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is number line. Now I am putting the number 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0 to 1. That place I am dividing into 4 equal parts. 1 by 4. Denominator is 4. So 4 equal parts. In 4 equal parts we will divide. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4. This is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means 1. And we have to put 1 by 4. So this is the place of 1 by 4. Next, another number minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 means 0 to minus 1. That place I am dividing into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. So this is minus 1 by 3. This is minus 2 by 3. And this is minus 3 by 3. Minus 3 by 3 means minus 1. Now the required number is minus 2 by 3. So this is the place of minus 2 by 3. Understood how we have to put the fraction or rational number in the number line? Now I am showing 8. Let's write 4 rational numbers which are bigger than 1 but smaller than 2. Bigger than 1 but smaller than 2. I am showing this on number line. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. Now bigger than 1 but smaller than 2. So bigger than 1 means 1 plus something. So, and we have to write 4 rational numbers that is bigger than 1, smaller than 2. Then I am dividing the space 1 to 2 into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this place will be 5 equal parts means 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. So this is 1 plus 1 by 5. Next 1 plus 2 by 5. Then 1 plus 3 by 5. Then 1 plus 4 by 5. And this one 1 plus 5 by 5. That is 1 plus 1, 2. So the numbers 4 required numbers are what? 1 plus 1 by 5, that is 6 by 5. 1 plus 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 by 5. 1 plus 3 by 5, that is 8 by 5. 1 plus 4 by 5, that is 9 by 5. So the required numbers are 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5. This is the answer. Clear? Now sum number 10. Write 5 rational numbers between the two rational numbers given below. I am showing sum number B, 10B. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. I have to write 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. We have to make equal denominators. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay. So, to make equal denominators, we multiply this by 2, this by 4. So, both numerator and denominator are multiplied by 2. Then it becomes 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8. This is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. In between these two numbers there is 3 by 8. But we have to write 5 rational numbers. So make it double. 2 twos are 4, 8 twos are 16. 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. Now 4 by 16, 8 by 16. In between these two numbers, 5 numbers we can't get. So again make it double. 4 twos are 8, 16 twos are 32. 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. So 8 by 32 and 16 by 32. In between these two numbers, we can get the required 5 rational numbers. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between 8 by 32 and 16 by 32 are what? 9 by 32, 10 by 32, 11 by 32, 12 by 32, 13 by 32. This is the answer. So I think the other very few sums you can do your own. So thank you very much.